How to delete your BeReal photo. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can easily delete your own BeReal photos. Please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and if this video helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without further ado, let's get started. First, update your BeReal app if it's not updated. Then open the app. You will see 3 dots on the right side of your BeReal photo. Tap on the dots of the BeReal you want to delete. If you have shared this photo on Discovery and want to delete it, tap here. Then tap on Remove my BeReal from Discovery. If you want to delete the photo from your account, then tap here. Remember that the deletion of your photo will be final, and you can only do one deletion per day. Be careful with the next photo you take. You won't get a second chance to delete your BeReal today. Check the option of why you want to delete your BeReal. Then tap on Delete my BeReal. Your BeReal will be deleted. So this is how to delete your BeReal. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.